hi guys. So yesterday, I made a poll in Instagram if I'll do a vlog showing all the stuff that I always buy in Ikea, and nanalo yung yes. So right now, I'm going to show you what are the things that I always buy whenever I go to Ikea or I need to style a project, or yeah, for myself also na madaling dalhin, because I know you guys well, because right now in the Philippines we don't have any Ikea store. So buong mundo may Ikea, but in the Philippines we don't have yet. But we got this news that 2 years from now, let's say 2020 or 2021, we will be able to have the biggest Ikea store in the world or in Asia. Not really sure about it, but it's one of the biggest in the world. Dahil wala pa tayong Ikea, I always get some stuff whenever I travel. If there's an Ikea in the area that I'm staying at, or if I have a project, or I'm helping out a friend, and he's working, or that friend is working abroad, at my Ikea, I always ask or give a spreadsheet for me to buy. Because the good thing about Ikea is every place where they have a store, they have a website, and you can see the price, you can see what are the things on stock or not, and then so from there, I create a list and then give it to them, and then padala nila via balikbayan box. And that's what happened here. So I have a lot of Ikea stuff here. Yesterday, I showed you guys. I'm not sure if I'll be able to put it in the vlog, but yesterday in my Instagram, I showed you guys what we got. And these are the things that I normally get. So this project is for a student. So it's a dormitory, and that's the main purpose of all the stuff. But kahit na yun yung mga ito yung purpose, these are also the same stuff that I always get. Nag-restock ako nito every time I travel, because these are all the basics. So I'll show you guys what are the basic stuff and the things that you can bring along whenever or the things that you can buy whenever you travel and you want some stuff from Ikea, or if you have a chance to just buy stuff even pag meron na rito. What I like about Ikea is that their designs are very simple and very updated. So they are very current, and I like the color palettes that they have, because you know yung mga gray tones, and then whites, and then the wood. Very Scandinavian. Well, basically it's Scandinavian because it's from Sweden. Most of you are like me, who wants to do things on a budget. We really don't want to spend that much. Basta as long as it will do the job and it looks beautiful. So that's why I love Ikea, because that's basically it. It does the job and it's beautiful, very stylish. Check it out. Here are the stuff that I always get from Ikea, and hopefully it will help you when thinking of buying some stuff for your apartment. So here goes. Wala tong order kung ano lang yung madadampot ko, tapos I'll show you guys. So ito, very basic. I think every household that has this in a country na may Ikea, meron to. So this is if there's a name here, I don't know what the name is. Basta walang name na nakalagay. Pero this I used for utensils. You can use it for drying your sponge, whatever, sa kitchen. Also, it's also nice to put, if you have a lot of pens or you want to organize some stuff in your table, you can also use this one. So that one. What I got here is a cork board. Okay. So, I told you na ito yung mga stuff na binibili ko lagi. So this one, I don't buy it regularly, like lagi, because not everything that I do needs a corkboard. So this is lang sa student. So corkboard, I like it kasi yung white frame, and you know, the style is really nice. You can get this also in National Bookstore, pero iba yung framing niya, or this one lang cute. This one, ito, like itong ginagamit. Like ko itong binibili kasi it's a good storage. It's really cheap if you buy it in Ikea compared if you get like alternative item here with the same purpose. It's called Haul. So it's a container. I'll show it to you pag na-assemble ko na. So there's a lot of assembling that I will do today or the next day because you know Ikea needs assembly. So I like this because I use this for as an additional storage. You can sit on it. You cannot stand on it, but you can definitely sit on it. Kahit parang sinabi atang bawal upuan. Pero yeah, pwede. Kasi ilang beses na ako umupo dito. Pero yes, container. You can use it as a table as well. A coffee table. Or, yeah, side table. I love this also. So, this is the lamplig. I'm not really sure how to pronounce because, of course, it's Scandinavian. It's Swedish. So, parang lamplig. So, basta parang ganyan. Lamplig. So, this is a chopping board. So it's a big chopping board. You can slice your bread or anything. I love it also because it's very stylish. Lalo if it's in the counter already. I'm not really I'm not really a fan of the bamboo wood here because yung sa akin it's thicker and it's like a butcher's block. Pero I think they don't have that anymore. Not really sure, pero wala na ako nakikita. Pero this one, really good. Really nice also pag, alam mo yun, yung mga pa-feeling Instagram shot sa kitchen. This is nice. Love this. Next one. Ang dami ko. Okay. So, I always buy ito definitely. So, kahit whenever I travel, tapos may Ikea, bumibili talaga ako ng mga blankets there because it's cheaper. It's really nice. The quality is nice. And of course, yeah, cheap. So I always get throw blankets. I have a lot of collections. I have a lot of stocks na hindi ko pa nagagamit. Pero if sometimes, you know, yung feel mong mag-style ng bahay, at least you have something. Okay, or if you have visitors, yes. Lamp. This one, the Hector series, is one of my pinaka-favorite kind of lights in Ikea. Hector. Ayan, Hector. So this one is one spotlight na you can put on your as a side light on your bed or if you need any lights lang talaga na focus lights. Oops. Pero they have also like a track light type. Ayan, I like it. Ang ganda. And they have this big lamp na super ganda. But it's so heavy that you cannot na hindi siya kasya sa hindi mo siya pwedeng dalhin, sobrang heavy, tapos parang pag ibabalik ba yung box mo naman, hindi ko alam kung kasya kasi I haven't tried. I bought one time here in the Philippines because there are other shops here in the Philippines na nag-import ng Ikea, so I might be able to put here because I always buy from them, yung mga big ones. And yeah, you can check out Hector, the best. I love that. So again, bed sheets, duvet covers, quilt covers. Hindi ko nga alam. Minsan nalito ako if I call it quilt or duvet. Basta yung cover ng mga comforter nyo. Yeah, the duvet cover I always buy there because it's cheaper. Ikea. Yeah. Sometimes I buy in H&M Home. Most of the time pala. Kasi nga, if I don't have Ikea. If I go to Ikea, I buy from them. Pero if I don't have a chance to go to Ikea, I buy from H&M Home because the quality I love. Again, Swedish ulit. So, medyo fan ako ng Swedish. So, ito, ayan. Bed sheets! Tapos this, I got this right now lang. Kasi when I was browsing the website. So, I've been looking for some cable management in the Philippines. So most of them are black or transparent. This is a white. So yeah, for white walls and things like that. So if you have white walls and you want cable management, you have this set. So it's very light lang and it's not too expensive. So ayan siya. This is the fixa because you're going to fixa your wires. Okay, super favorite lamp. If you watch Mars ba yun? Martian, The Martian. Nakakatawa, kaya naging sobrang favorite ko na to kasi yung spaceship nila, yung tawag dyan, yung spaceship nila doon, di ba, very high-tech kasi nasa spaceship, you know. Their lamp are this one, the Harte. The Harte. Kasi yung A may ganun eh, so hindi ko alam kung anong pronunciation nun. Harte, parang ganyan. So, this is a USB powered lamp. USB powered lamp, so stylish, so sleek. Tapos parang, ayun nga, it will not take too much space in your desk. So, sometimes, if you don't have a plug, or saksakto, you can just put it in your laptop if you're using your laptop or your external battery or your power bank. Yan. Dito ko lagi sa power bank. Nakakalimutan ko yung terms. Okay, what else do we have? Chairs. This is my favorite chair to use. I got this also for my house. So, ang dami ko rin binili for our house. Para lang, you know, for outdoor. You can use it outdoor. You can use it for your dining table. And this is a foldable chair. And it's so cheap. Parang papatakata. It's around 700 pesos. I think. Okay. So too much plastic. We don't need plastics. But too much plastic packaging. What else do I buy? Okay. Again, yung Nectar is my favorite lamp. Yung favorite pendant lights ko naman is the Photo. Hindi ko na siya natanggalin sa plastic siguro. Kasi ang hirap. Pero, it's a Photo pendant light. So, I'll show it to you pag na-install ko na siya. So, easy lang siya. So, sometimes, like, if medyo you don't really need to install it na nakahang. I just use it yung bulb. Ayun lang yung iniisip ko. Para mag-move. It will give a different look already. Parang instantly in your house. So, it's a dome type lighting fixture. They have white, they have this color which is the like mint green, and then they have black for this one. They have stainless steel. I always use white. I always use black. Tapos ngayon I'm trying to be more experimental. I'm trying to be more colorful by term, and I'm using mint green. So clock, sobrang mahal ng mga orasan dito sa Pilipinas. So this one looks nice, diba? Ang ganda. So Ikea has several clocks. So marami sila iba't ibang watches. So wall clock in Ikea, there are so many. So this one lang yung binili ko for now. Pero if you have chance, pwede kayo mag-hoard ng mga clock kasi sobrang mura doon. And shower curtains. Ayan, meron din akong stocks of shower curtains at home. Again, because it's cheaper there. And ang ganda ng colors, diba? Because I always try to find plain ones here in the Philippines. And it's always hard. If ever you go to SM, they always have yung mga parang bula-bulaklak, ganyan. Plain ones, wala masyado. Maybe there are a few, pero from my experience, it's always hard for me to look for good colored plain ones. Okay, I'm back. Guys. So, eto, super absolute favorite, and I always buy this kasi unang-una magaang, madaling dalhin sa labagahe, tapos sobrang mura niya lang. So, this bar you just put on your wall or at the back of your door. Tapos, it's an instant storage or hanging item. So first, pag nilagay mo yan, although maliit, manipis kasi yung ganito niya yun. Pero, pwede nyo nang sabitan ng tuwalya. So first, okay? Pero, once you hang this, you can buy some hooks like this one. So again, pwede na siyang sabitan ng damit, ng tuwalya, alam mo yun, in the banyo or in your room, at the back of your door, pwede na. Or, you can put it in your study table, or whenever you need to organize, then you can clip all of this. Pwede na siyang lagayan ng pens, you can put plants, very flexible, and super mura. This is the Sunersta. I think this is just 6 dirhams or something, or 12. Basta mura lang siya. Tapos, all of this, you can actually get some good ones in SM. Pero, I like kasi yung color nito. So, I have all the yung mga dish, soap dish, bath, whatever. So, I use that. I got that from Ikea. Kasi beautiful. Super simple. And I like this color. So, this. And madaling bitbitin. I buy as well. Pero ito, dito ko na lang binibili sa Philippines. Yung parang mga ledge niya. And you can get this in Decor also. So, not necessarily in Ikea. So, I just found out that you can buy this in Decor. One thing that I always look forward whenever I go to Ikea is yung mga organizers nila for kitchen. So, this is yung rod. Stainless steel. I'll show you again once I opened it. Stainless steel rod where you can put in your kitchen and then hang all of this. Yeah, punta kayo sa kitchen section sa Ikea and you'll get inspired of all the how they organize it. Okay, this one also I got is the wire organizer. Lalagay mo siya under your table kasi doon na siya yung mga wires. So, hindi na magbulo yung mga wires nyo. Okay, so I got 2 of this because yung sasapin. And last for now, so this one is a hamper. Cute lang siya. Pero you can get this from SM as well. So yun. Okay. So bonus lang. So for this project, I got some stickers from Ikea na you can put on your wall. And then posters. Cutesy posters. They have so many posters there. They're cute. Posters. Okay, so those are the stuff that I usually buy in Ikea, and hopefully it will help you. If you need some help as well, you can just PM me. I do have an Excel sheet of all of this, and maybe I can just send it to you guys. Okay, thank you. Ito pala bonus. So, I forgot. So, this watch, so digital watch, it's so cheap as well. So, very nice. So, okay guys, thank you. And I hope that this helps. So I'll show you the finished product soon. And thank you. Bye.